It looks like this person has been watching a bit too much Sadhguru because they seem to believe that vegetables scream when they're picked, when they're put in an oven or a steamer.
Plants are as sensitive as any other creature. Only thing is they don't scream. They do scream, you don't hear, that's all.
James Aspey correctly responded, where do they scream from then? It's either they've been listening too much to Sadhguru.
They do scream, you don't hear, that's all.
Or they're so fucking dense that they haven't realized it's the steam that makes the hissing sound and not actually the vegetables. This was a meatflake who joined a vegan group, Vegans of Britain, just to show everyone how much of a complete fuckwit he is. Next level meatflake. Just know that for every person you convert to veganism, me and my wife feed our rabbits, birds, chicken nuggets. We also like to buy 40 nuggets from McDonald's and throw them in the air for all the seagulls to enjoy. This is the guy who made the post. This is the genius right here who made that post. He looks exactly like the kind of person who'd make that post. He's the kind of guy that hangs around with 12-year-olds because they think he's cool and they're impressed by shit comments like this one. He's the guy at the party who says, how do you know if someone's vegan? Don't worry, they'll tell you. Dude, that joke's about 15 years old and only 12-year-olds find it funny, which is why you still hang around with 12-year-olds. This next one got so angry and so triggered. She spelt vegans wrong. So now we're talking about how Las Vegas will do anything to defend their ideology. What ideology is that, Nina? Drinking and gambling is life. We have a special guest this week, guys. We have a pick me vegan. How long have you been vegan? What was it that made you start to think about veganism? I'm not sure it's helpful to sit at your phone constantly criticizing non-vegans. Try something new. Be a bit more interesting. And I already said what I wanted to say right there on Twitter. Piss off. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you really enjoyed it, consider joining the Patreon team. You'll get access to exclusive content that won't be available on YouTube, and you'll be supporting my work. So that's a win-win. Keep calling out the bullshit, everybody. And I'll see you all in the next video.